One apple, apple is red. One banana, banana is yellow. Two. Number two. Two apples, one plus one, two. Two bananas, one plus one, two. Three. Number three. Three apples, two plus one, three. Three bananas, two plus one, three. Four. Number four. Four apples, three plus one, four. Four bananas, three plus one, four. Five. Number five. Five apples, four plus one, five. Five bananas, four plus one, five. Six. Number six. Six apples, five plus one, six. Six bananas, five plus one, six. Seven. Number seven. Seven apples, six plus one, seven. Seven bananas, six plus one, seven. Eight.
We are the apple friends.
Number eight.
Come on and bounce with us today.
Eight
We are the apple friends.
Seven plus one, eight. Eight bananas, seven plus one, eight. Nine. Number nine. Nine apples, eight plus one, nine. Nine bananas, eight plus one, nine. 10. Number 10.
Yay, this is so much fun.
10
apples strong.
apples, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 bananas, 1 plus 1, 10. 10.
Welcome to the
Very
party.
good, kids.
Yay, this is so much fun.
Yeah.
10 apples strong.
Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye, kids.